Hey there, Sienna owners. Is that pesky tire pressure sensor light on your dashboard bothering you? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to reset the tire pressure light on your Toyota Sienna so you can get back on the road with confidence. So, let's jump in. Your older Sienna features a low tire pressure reset button. Follow these steps to reset the tire pressure sensor. Step 1. Make sure all your tires are inflated to the correct PSI. The recommended pressure is on the sticker inside your driver's side door. Step 2. Next, turn your Sienna to the on position. Step 3. Now, locate the tire reset button. On the 2006 to 2009 Toyota Sienna models, it's found on the left panel, while for the 2010 to 2020 models, it's situated under the dashboard near the steering column. Press and hold the reset button until the tire light on your dashboard blinks 3 times, then release it. After that, take your Sienna for a short drive at speeds above 25 miles per hour for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the sensors to recalibrate. Unlike the previous model year, this model requires you to access the system menu to reset the tire pressure light. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Stop the vehicle and adjust the tire inflation pressure recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Use the navigation button and go to the Gear tab menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Vehicle Settings menu and then press the OK button to enter. Step 5. Scroll down and enter to TPWS Setting menu. Step 6. Highlight the Setting Pressure menu and then hold down the OK button until the resetting is complete and you're done. And there you have it. Now your tire light is reset and you're ready to roll. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful car tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and drive safe.